Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to my channel Steady Maths. I hope you all will be in the best state of Iman and health. Today I am going to start chapter number 4, Basic Algebra and Algebraic Manipulations. Okay. Exercise 4.1 Fundamental Algebra, page number 81. Algebraic notations. As we all know that in algebra the letters are used to represent the numbers. In algebra we use mostly the letters like A, B, C, D, X, Y, Z. These letters are known as variables. We call this letter as variables in algebra. Here you can see the table. Here we have both the side arithmetic and the algebraic notations. I am explaining you what is arithmetic and algebra. In this table I will explain you the algebraic notation, arithmetic and algebra. Here we have two columns. This column arithmetic we use numbers usually. 2 plus 3 is equals to 3 plus 2. The sum of 2 plus 3 and 3 plus 2 is same. It is equals to 5. In algebra, if we add, in addition case, if we add the variables, a plus b is equals to b plus a. The sum of a plus b and b plus a is c. In subtraction case, 6 minus 5 equals to 1. It means the difference between 6 and 5 is 1. In algebra, we use the variable a minus b. The difference of a minus b is equals to c, where a is more than b. A is bigger than b. So we can easily subtract a by b. The answer is c. In multiplication, in 3 into 5, 3 5s are 15, same as 5 3s are 15. In both case, we get the product is 15. In algebra, if we multiply the two variables a into b or b into a, the sum is c. So we usually write ab equals to c or ba is equals to c. A, b's are ab, the sum is, the product is c. The product of A, B or B, A is C. Now multiply the two numbers in arithmetic. 3 into 3. The sum, the product is 3 3s are 3 square, and the sum and the answer of the square is 3 3s are 9. So the square of 3 is 9. In algebra, A into A. A's are a square. The square of a is a square. When we multiply in cube, 3 times we multiply the same value. 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9 and 9 3s are 27. So the cube of 3, we write the power of 3. We read is cube 3. Cube 3 is 27. A into A into A. 3 times A, we write A cube. Here you can see the power of A is cube. So we write the cube of A is A cube. Now in division case, we divide 24 by 3. As we all already learned in our previous class, that when we divide any number, when we want to divide any number, here we multiply. The division symbol will change. We inverse it. 24 multiplied by 1 upon 3. 3 is the whole number. We convert this 3 into fraction. So we write 1/3. Now we cut down the values. 3 1s are 3 and 3 8s are 24. So the answer is 8. The quotient of 24 when we divide by 3 is 8. For example, a divided by b is equals to same as we write a multiply by divide change into multiply. A multiply by 1 upon b, because here b is the whole figure. So we break the number and write 1 upon b equals to c. So we usually write a 1s are a upon b equals to c. So the quotient of a when divided by b is c, where b is not equals to 0. Okay, now we are starting exercise 4a from book, page number 90, question number 1. We will solve the basic level. Write down an algebraic expression for each of the following statement. Here you can see some statements are given. We have to write the algebraic expression. Here I write the question. Add 5y. These are some statements we have to convert it into the algebraic expression. Add 5y to the product. Product means here we are multiplying. Product of a and b. The number we have to multiply it is 5y from ab. So first we write ab plus 5y, because we have to add 5y and the product of AB is AB. So we write the product of AB first, which is AB plus 5y. Part number B, subtract 3 from the cube of f. So first we write the cube of f. What is the cube of f? It is f, power of f is cube. It is cube of f, we have to subtract 3. So we write f cube minus 3. Question number C, multiply k by 6q. We have to multiply the letter k by 6q. So we write 6q multiply by k, or we can write also 6qk or 6kq as well. Now the next part of this question, question number D, divide 2w by 3xy. Divide 2w. So we write first 3xy divided by 2w, or we can write it as a fraction, that 2w upon 3y. Next part, number E, subtract 4 times positive square root of z from thrice of x. So first we write the thrice of x. Thrice of x is 3x. Thrice means 3 times x. So we write 3 times x is 3x minus 4 times positive square root of z. So we write the square root of z. How many times? 4 times. We write 4 here. Number F, thrice the variable p is divided by the product of 5 and q. So we write 2p upon 5q. We divide 2p by 5q. This is it. I hope you all understand it very well. Till the next class of mine, all of you take a good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.